In old China, there was a secret science similar to Tantra known as Tao. The tendency of Tao are also Tantra like. For example, Tao says that if you want to be free from sex, it is good not to stick to one woman or man. If you want to be free, don't stick to one. So Tao says it is good that you keep changing partners. That is absolutely right. But you can justify it. You can fool yourself. If you are only upset with sex, you can think that I am practicing Tantra, so I cannot stick to one woman. I have to change woman. And in China, many kings practiced it. For this, they had big palaces. But Tao is meaningful. Tao is meaningful only when you look deeply into the science of human mind. In you look deeply into one woman. If you know only one woman, sooner or later, the attraction for that woman will disappear. But the attraction for woman will remain. The opposite sex will attract you, but your wife will not be seen to be of the opposite sex. She will not attract you. She will not act as a magnet for you. You have become used to her. A Tao says if man lives with many women, he transcends woman. The very knowledge of many women will help him to transit them. And this is right but also dangerous, because you will like it not because it is right, but because it gives you a license. This is the problem with Tantra. That is why the knowledge of Tantra was suppressed in China also. It had to be suppressed. Tantra was suppressed in India also, because it says very dangerous things. They are dangerous because of you, because you are a deceiver. Otherwise, they are wonderful. Nothing greater than Tantra has yet happened in the picture of man. No knowledge is as deep, but the knowledge always has to own dangerous. For example, now science has become a danger because it has revealed the deepest secret to you. Now you know how atomic energy can be produced. It is said that Einstein said that if he were given a life again, he would prefer to be a plumber rather than scientist. Because when he looks back at his past, he finds his life useless. Not only useless, but also dangerous to humanity. And he has given a great secret to man, who is very good at deceiving even himself.